change in plan. Considering how worse the wind is getting, I've lowered my power cords that were on the... Oh, fuck, that's cold. Oh, I am kind of naked. Oh, yeah. Poor little winkle. Yeah, couldn't be asked putting on anything else, so it's like... Anyway, so, yeah, I lowered the power cords, and luckily my power cord is quite long, so I basically tied it on this side and that side, just to pull it down lower on the 3 rings things. It's just, it got to the point where it was stretching too high up, which it still is. It's just stretching the way it was going to rip. At least this way, it's got a little bit of give, but I've got a bit more protection. See, I've got protection most of me from the underquilt, which is brilliant, and the oven ready. It's just, I don't want to roll over in the night. Oh, fuck me. Okay, back inside.